Want to fix UFL cannot connect to the server? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back on the pitch. Let's dive in. First things first, this error usually means your game client can't connect to UFL's online services, often due to network issues, firewall blocks, or server outages. Now, the easiest fix is to restart your router and modem. Unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, restart your PC or console. This often clears temporary network glitches. Next, you'll need to check your internet connection for stability and speed. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent communication with game servers. If on Wi-Fi, try connecting to a wired Ethernet cable. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking UFL from communicating with its services. Temporarily disable them and try launching the game. If it's a new game, you'll likely need to add an exception for it. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with game connections. Also, try flushing your DNS cache. On PC, open command prompt as admin and type ipconfig/flushdns. Finally, check the official UFL social media or developer status page for any announcements about server maintenance or outages. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait. Also, ensure your game is fully updated. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more football game tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.